the fuck? Oh. Hey, we're good. Shit. I need to get the fuck out of here. Don't accelerate. Get the fuck out. Shit. Uh-oh. Get out! Alright, this is bad. This is bad.
Oh shit. Yo. Yo.
You guys never get bored, do you?
Hey, tell me how many people you've killed. Wanna adopt me? I lost my mom. Hey, tell me how many people you've killed. Wanna adopt me? I lost my mom. Hey, tell me how many people
pressing
you've
F.
killed.
You just keep saying it.
Wanna adopt me? I lost my mom.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, tell me how many
Stop!
people you've killed.
Hi everybody, Ko here with a quick thoughts while I'm playing Cyberpunk about my thoughts about the game. So, first of all, Cyberpunk has problems. It has major issues on consoles, especially with how it runs and everything. There are bugs in the game. There are some issues with the mechanics. Some of them feel kind of half-finished and everything. And it is definitely not quite done cooking. That being said, there are some things in Cyberpunk that are some of the best I've seen pretty much in any game. The world is incredible. The music is awesome. The main story has been a lot of fun. Side quests have been great. It has been a really, really fun experience, and overall, even with all the other issues, as somebody who focuses on the good parts and the parts they like, I am having a phenomenal time in Cyberpunk. I'm loving it. We're definitely going to do our 100%. The next playthrough is probably not going to be quite as long, or it's probably going to be a bit until then, because I want to get the patches and stuff. We do know CDPR is going to stick with the project, because they have more stuff coming later in the later years, like expansions and stuff. But overall, I'm really enjoying it. There are problems. Definitely look into it before buying, and thanks for watching.
Fuck yeah, bro, worth it. Another car. This car is so fucking fast, but the Porsche is just way nicer. What the fuck? Hey, yo, Claire, I actually don't have room in my garage. The car broke. Okay.
Oh, today's nothing but shit.
The fuck do we do?
Ah, shit.
Are you joking?
We're going to Arizona? Are you fucking kidding me? Take me back. Take me back into the fucking machine, Alt. Is this a joke? I'm leaving California, aka New City, for fucking Arizona? That is the worst ending in any run, okay? I know people are saying like, oh, this is the good ending. This is actually the good ending. Like, you did it. No, motherfucker, it's the worst ending. I live in Arizona. I might as well put a bullet in me right now, Pan Am. Fucking do it. I'm jumping off, dude. Arizona? What the fuck?
Dude, yesterday was crazy. You know, I had 10,000 people watching that stream. I didn't even realize it until the very end. There were 10,000 people watching me watch the fucking Game Awards. Shit blows my mind. That's a ton of people. 10,000 people? Just one other person is gross. 10,000? What?
Yeah, this is Papega driving it, right? Did it turn off?
What?
Dude! No right to kill here! Go fuck yourself! This is a violation of our civil rights!
Yeah, what he said. Yeah! Oh.
Lady in my hand, man.
Oh, shit!
Motherfucker bopping me like I'm his bitch. I will bop you, bro. Oh shit! Ah! Ah! Fuck!
133 to control.
Motherfucker tasing me and shit. God damn, bro.
Stimulants being administered.
Fucking cops, man.
Milligrams dopamine.
Y'all cops with the fucking unlimited tasers, man. No stupid ass. That's what I thought. Oh shit! Oh!
I just wanted to see that.
Okay, so where do we sit now exactly?
We know Harris still lives near an old school that's now underwater.
What?
You can see the NC skyline and the Cracks towers from the farm. It's a few miles out. Farm was located near a landfill. We know that too. Shipping code on the game Randy got from Harris traces out to the Badlands. Those towers promoting the Cracks album. Colors change regularly, once an hour. So we know the time.
11 at night.
Right. And that puts the farm east of the city. Southeast, actually. Stamp on the NCFD certificate was from the southern region. Farm models of Petro.
Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh my goodness!
Got a few ideas. Think you know what kind?
V.
Oh!
No.
Oh!
It's really nice as is. Let's not spoil it.
Oh my god, I got friend zoned! No! My god! What the heck?
What a day.
What? Did I pick the wrong timeline? Can I go back, please? Reloading.
I'm not